Fascinating facts about elk that you probably didn't know. Elk are one of the largest species of deer. There are 12 subspecies of elk ranging across North America and Asia. The largest elk species is the Roosevelt elk, which can be found right here in the United States, can weigh as much as 1,200 pounds. The Alaskan wapiti is the smallest elk alive. These elk live in remote regions of China. Most people mistake elk for moose, probably because they look alike in some ways. There are several morphological differences between an elk and a moose, but their size and the form of their antlers are the most noticeable. Moose is the larger of the two, growing up to 6.5 feet tall from foot to shoulder, whereas elk are typically 3 to 5 feet tall. And elk's antlers, which only grow on bulls. They're made of fast-growing bone. How fast? Well, they've been known to grow as much as 1 inch in one day. The size of an elk's antlers depends on the amount of sunlight the elk gets. Sunlight causes a boost in testosterone levels, causing the antlers to grow. They can weigh as much as 40 pounds in a full-grown male. They're the loudest members of the deer family. Male elk use their high-pitched roar, called bugling, to attract mates during their mating seasons. This loud bellowing sound is also used to advertise territories in the wintertime and has a fundamental frequency of 2 kHz and higher. High speed, weighing in at up to 700 pounds, the North American elk stands as one of the biggest deer species on Earth. But don't think that just because an elk is large that it's slow. A mature bull can run as fast as 40 miles per hour. They've even been able to outrun horses in short races. And that's not all. Elk can jump 8 feet vertically. They prefer the cold. No matter which region they inhabit, elk are almost always more active when it is cooler. You're more likely to see them in the winter and fall, during the mating season, as well as early spring. They can help restore ecosystems. Elk are very important in shaping plant communities within their own habitats through their foraging and browsing. They eat mostly grass and wildflowers, but also browse on trees and shrubs like deer do, which helps promote and stimulate the growth of those prairie plants while controlling tree and shrub overgrowth. Elk are also vital food sources for massive predators such as brown bears. Elk are social animals. Elk live in large groups, also called herds, that can reach well into the hundreds and even thousands. Although herds are segregated by gender, they are matriarchal, meaning they are dominated by a single female or cow who runs the show. That's all for today. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on future content, and thanks for watching.